Hey, welcome to Grill and Smoke BBQ. I'm Jeffrey. Today, we're going to start off with something special, and then we're going to get into what we're doing. So in case you haven't noticed, I'm proud to announce a beautiful partnership with Char-Griller Grills and myself. I'm now an ambassador for them, and I think together we're going to do some amazing stuff. Now that's all for the plug. Now, let's get into what we're going to be doing today. And that's making some more of this football series food I got going on with some smoked jalapeno queso. Let's do this. Now, what we're going to be using today is real simple, not a lot. We're going to take a 32 ounces of this block of Velveeta cheese. We're going to also use 8 ounces of this pepper jack cheese, and we're going to cut those up into squares. That way the melting process won't take as long. And to that, we're also going to use some sausage. I'm using the hot kind because y'all know I like a little bit of kick with my stuff as much as possible, but you can always substitute what I'm using with whatever you like. So you can use like mild or use the hot just like me. Also be using this 10-ounce can of Rotel, which also is the hot kind. They make mild. You can use that as well. I'll be using this 10.5-ounce can of cream of mushroom, and it's called jalapeno queso. So guess what? Using this 12-ounce jar of diced jalapenos. And also, I'm gonna also add a little bit of this rub, the Killer Hogs Hot. Now, a lot of this stuff is optional if you want to make things your own way. You can just make some plain queso and not even put the jalapenos in it. You don't even have to put a rub in it, or you can replace the rub that I'm using with whatever your favorite rub is. It doesn't even have to be hot. You can use like your favorite beef rub or something. Whatever you like, make it your own. So after I get this cheese chopped up, I'll be right back with you. Okay, so right now we have the cheese cut up into little blocks to help make it easier to melt. Let's pick up from there. So, I just found a deep aluminum pan I wasn't using. Finally found something to use it for, right? So we browned up the sausage already. And we're just gonna put this in here. And we're gonna take the can of Rotel. We're gonna leave the juice and everything in it because that's gonna come in handy. Then we also have the can of cream of mushroom soup that we're gonna put in here. I'm just gonna use this little plastic spoon, make sure we get all of it. And trust me, this can of cream of mushroom soup is gonna make this real good. And then we're gonna take those diced jalapenos. We're just gonna dump all of it in here, juice and all. And we're gonna take the rub. We're gonna put about 3 tablespoons in here. Just gonna eyeball it. And just go ahead and give this a quick stir. Man, this the smell is already good. Could just be that hot sausage and these jalapenos though, but we'll find out. So just giving this a quick stir. All right, that should be good. Okay, now that we got that mixed in together, we're gonna put this on the Char-Griller 980. I'm gonna be smoking this at 325 degrees and be using some hickory wood with it. See you at the smoker. All right, so here we go. Like I said, Char-Griller is at 325 degrees. We're just gonna stick this in there. Got hickory wood. We're gonna check back on this in about 30 to 40 minutes. All right, it's been 35 minutes. This is what we have. Just go ahead and stir it. You can see the cheese is starting to melt. Get everything mixed in. And you can see the reason why we left those juices in there from the rotel and those jalapenos is because it's helping to make this get thinned out a little so it's not too thick. We'll leave it on here. We'll check back in about 25 more minutes. Okay, so it's been another 25 minutes. Total of an hour on here. And that looks exactly the way I want it. So what I'm gonna do, so I'm just gonna go in and take this off of here and come back and we can just close this one out. Be right back with y'all. All right, so welcome back. We finished this cook. Just to do a quick little recap, all we did was take a block of Velveeta cheese and a small block of pepper jack cheese, cut those up into some squares, put them in a deep dish aluminum pan, put some rotel with it, some cream of mushroom soup, and a small-ish jar of jalapenos, and about 3 tablespoons of our favorite rub, whichever one that may be for you. And as I said, these things can be modified to fit whatever taste you have. Get rid of the jalapenos, add more jalapenos, add habaneros, whatever you like, just make it your own. With that being said, let's go ahead and get this a taste test now. And most people like to use those triangular Tostitos chips when they're doing these. Myself, I like to use the scoops. They work better for me. I don't have to work so hard to keep it on the chip. Why not do it? Let's taste this. All right, let's get some of everything on here. Get some of the rotel, the sausage. Oops, there's a jalapeno. And let's give this a good taste. Cheers, everybody. Man, that's good. Those jalapenos and that rotel give it a nice little kick. Plus a little bit of that hot rub I used. Man, that right there is a party smasher. And you can make, like I said, make you one with kick to it, make you one on the milder side. Everybody will enjoy it. You never know, some of them might taste the one with the kick and they fall in love too. But that's it for today. I'd like to thank you for joining me. Thank you, fam. If you're not part of the fam yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button, ring that bell. And again, I'd like to say thank you to Char-Griller for collaborating with me. And we're going to bring some great stuff to you, like I said. But until next time, peace. I'm out.